Hey, I'm Brad with StudiGEMS, and I want to show you how to add all your due dates, deadlines, and events to your Google Calendar in under 5 minutes. So we're going to start with a clean Google Calendar. In this case, we're doing Google, but you could do Apple or Outlook, your choice. For me, I'm just going to use my Google Calendar. So I've created a simple school calendar, and we'll add to that. So I'm going to head over to StudiGEMS and start dragging in my courses. We'll run a timer just to make it so you know that I'm not doing any fancy editing here. So timer's running. Let's roll. Start with my biology course. Fire it up. Create a Google account. First date of my course is the 19th of January, which is in the past, but that's fine. It's going to extract all the due dates and deadlines from this syllabus. You can see it on the right here. I've already gone through this one. So we have the dates up to May, and I'm going to import them. Jump through the onboarding here. Alma mater, University of New Hampshire. And we want to get organized. Accept the terms. I'll take this first course and I'll go to the calendar wizard. And I'm going to get 12 hours before, 1 day, and 1 hour before for my notifications. All of the assignments, and we'll choose Google. It'll open up my Google. I'm going to select the file that just downloaded, and I'm going to make sure that I have it set to school. Hit import. 13 events, great. Back over here, we'll add another course. Choose syllabus import, choose our syllabus file. CS, same start date. Process all the events out of the syllabus. Our A guy goes through if dates need adjusting, it adjusts the dates. Say your professor had reused the syllabus and it had last semester's dates, it'll go through and it'll update to the current semester. We don't need to watch the intro. We do need to use the calendar export. Same as last time. We're going 12 hours. All of the assignments. Google. Rinse and repeat. Choose the file. And the school calendar, import it. 17 events. Next course. And if this is the first time you're pulling it in, it is wise to compare the dates that it determined versus the actual syllabus. But you can easily adjust the due dates and the types here and edit everything. So we'll just import 3.5 minutes in. All right, one more to go. Do it in a minute. Poetry. Import. 50 seconds remaining. Thirty seconds. got them all. Oops, I chose the wrong file. All of them in there, even with some mistakes, under 5 minutes. That's pretty good. So we see here the calendar. We've got our school calendar turned on and my personal calendar turned on. They're all integrated out through finals week. So we have everybody in there, and we have a dashboard as well. Some of these are overdue. We're midway through the semester already, so we'll just clear those out, assume we're all done. So we see what's coming up. You can get a daily reminder of all of the things coming up for the week, the next 7 days, your progress towards any studying. And if we needed to, we could start studying for this quiz right now with Study Assistant. But that's for another video. Thanks for taking the time, and head on over to StudiGEMS.